Today we're going to be making a high protein chicken sandwich using Tikka Masala. Roast setting, 375 degrees, 11 minutes. Now we're going to weigh the pieces that we're going to use for our sandwich. So I got it picked out. I'm going to pour in the Tikka Masala. Then pouring in the chicken immediately. And now we're pouring in the chicken. While that's simmering, I'm going to put some English muffins from Dave's Killer Bread in the toaster. Alright, let's give this sandwich a try. Thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you'll try recipes like this. Thank you for joining me, and take care.